Hey guys, it's K7, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to speed up your Windows 8.1. Now, this works on any OS you may be using, so if you're using like a Windows 10 or Windows 7, you can do the same thing and it'll speed up those OSs as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so now the first thing we're going to want to do, this is going to be kind of a long video, but not really. So just stick with me and you'll be able to clean out your computer and have it running a little bit faster than it was by cleaning up some junk and optimizing your drives to have the most maximum startup times and accessing your file times as well. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go over to your Windows 8.1 start menu and type run. Remember, you can do this in any OS, but for this instance, this is just Windows 8.1. Also, for you Lenovo users out there with Windows 10, you're stuck with that and you want to have maybe a faster boot time, faster PC than what you're doing, you can give a little more power by following this tutorial and a little bit more speed as well. So the first thing you want to do is open up your start menu and whatever OS you may be using, and then you're going to type in run. So once your run comes up, you want to type %temp%. So that's percent and then TEMP and then percent. Then hit enter. So you're going to see this little window. You're going to highlight everything in the window and then you're going to delete it. These are your temporary files, so they're not going to affect anything. So highlight everything you see in this folder and delete it. So some files may get left behind, but all you need to do to get rid of these is restart and then try it again, because the system may be using some of the files with whatever programs you may be using that has the temporary files up and running at that time. But if the program is not using it, you don't need these temporary files. So what you're going to do is, after you delete it, most of the files that you can at the time being, if your system is using some of the temporary files, you're going to close this up and then you're going to go back to your Windows start menu and then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go to run, but this time you're going to just type in TEMP instead of the percentage just on the front and the back end. So once you hit temp, then you hit enter, you'll see another window pop up like this. You're going to want to erase everything in it and then just close it out like so. Once again, the ones you can't get, just leave them there. Then don't worry about it. So the next thing you're going to want to do is your power saving. So what you're going to do, you're going to go over to your start menu again, and then you're going to type power saving. So you're going to get this window here. And once you get this window, you'll see a little drop down bar here that says show additional plans. You're going to click that drop down box and then you're going to click on the high performance and then you're going to hit OK. So remember, this is not the most efficient thing with power, so keep this in mind. if you want to save power. But if you don't care about the power saving thing, this will get your computer running in high performance. I usually prefer having mine on balanced, as you can see, but you know, whatever suits your boat. If you're trying to speed up your computer, high performance will definitely do the trick. Okay, let's move on to the next step. Okay, our next step will be to disable the startup programs. So we're going to click down on our taskbar and then we're going to hit the task manager. So once the task manager comes up, you're going to go over to startup. So here you can see a list of what programs start up, you want to start up, and whatever programs are not running at the time. So if they're disabled, they are not running, and if they're enabled, that means they're running during the startup. To get more power and performance out of your computer in a faster startup time when you're starting up your computer and loading up to your desktop, you can disable some of these that have a higher impact load time on your PC when you are loading into your Windows OS. So as you can see here, there's many programs and some of them have a high impact, some of them have none, but you could just go in here and make or change what you want to start up or what you want to turn off during your startup in your computer. And this will help when it comes to startup times on your PC. So that's pretty much it for this part. So let's move on to the next step. Okay, the next step, we want to do a disk cleanup. So what we're going to do is get rid of some unnecessary files in the drive that we may not be using, temps and files in the cache that you may not even know that's just not even being used or even necessary for your computer to have. It'll help clean up and speed up your computer and run a little bit more efficiently if you don't have these files. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to the start menu once again, and you're going to type in disk cleanup. You want to click on free up disk space by deleting unnecessary files. Once you do this, select the drive. Give it a few seconds to check your drive, to check the unnecessary files in your computer. This will take a little bit of time, but it won't take much time for it to check. But I'm going to pause and fast forward, and then I'll meet you guys in the future. So hey guys, we're back. So when it's done loading, you're going to get this little screen. What you want to do is check off everything that you want to erase. You can erase everything here. It's not going to erase any important files, and then you're going to hit OK, and then it's going to start up its process, and then you're going to let that finish, and then you're done with that. Okay, let's move on to our final step. Okay, our final step will be defragging. So we're going to be defragging our system. So we're going to go over to our start menu once again, and we're going to type in defrag. So you're going to hit defrag diagnosis, and then this little thing will pop up. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your drive, your C drive, and then you're going to hit on optimize, and then let it finish, and then you're pretty much done. So okay, that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope it wasn't too long for you guys. If you have any questions, leave your thoughts down in the comment section. Also, feel free to like, share, and favorite, and subscribe for more videos like these. Until next time, this has been K7. Peace, and God bless you guys. Later.